Hello, my friends. So today we are going to talk about math stories, and we're going to talk about adding math stories because that's what we've really been practicing. And once we finish our adding math stories, we're going to start slowly to be going into our taking away stories. But let's do our adding math stories first. Now today I'm using hearts for our stories. So remember, we're always looking at the equation. We're looking at the numbers to see how many there are. So right now, I'm going to look at the numbers. We're going to start off with how many hearts? 3. So there's 3 hearts in the box. And we're going to add how many more hearts? 3 more, that's right. So we have 3 hearts and we're adding 3 more. And we need to figure out how many are all together. So right now I have 3 right here and we're adding 3 more. So we have to count them all together. 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 hearts all together. So I'm going to go ahead and write our number 6. Right here in the box, I'm going to start at the top, make a line down, and curve around for our number 6. Great job, friends. Now let's go to the next one. Ooh, we have quite a bit of hearts in this one. This time we're starting off with how many hearts? That's right, we're starting out with 5 hearts and we're adding how many more? 3 more. So it's our job to figure out how many are all together. Can you do that with me? All together. So let's go ahead and count. I have 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are how many hearts all together? 8. And remember, we can write the number 8 two different ways. But I'm going to choose this way. I'm going to start at the top, make an S, and go back up. Here's our number 8 because there are 8 hearts all together. All right, let's look at the next one. Now this time we're starting off with how many hearts? We're only starting off with 1. So we have 1 heart and we're adding how many more? 3 more. So let's figure out how many are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 hearts all together. So I'm going to go ahead and write a number 4. Number 4 has all straight lines, but you have to make sure all of those lines are straight in order for it to look like a number 4. So I'm going to start at the top, make a line down, across, and a straight line down again for number 4. Awesome job, my friends. Let's take a look at just one more story. Here we go. Now this time we're starting off with how many? 2, that's right. And we're only adding how many more? 1 heart. So let's figure out how many there are all together. We have 2, 3. We have 3 hearts all together. So I'm going to write the number 3 and I'm going to sing this little song while I write it. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. Awesome job, my friends. You did fabulous. So now it's your turn to go ahead and work on some adding math stories. So let me show you what you're going to do. It's gonna be kind of like the same thing we were doing. You're gonna be adding hearts. So here are the hearts you're looking at. There's 2 different colors. And here is the equation, so you know how many there are. So let's look at this one together. You have 2 hearts, and you're adding 2 more. And you're trying to figure out how many are all together. So we have 2, 3, 4, So there are 4 hearts all together. You're going to come over here and you're going to look for the number 4 to put right here on this question mark. Is this number 4? Yes, this one is number 4. So you're going to go ahead and grab it and move it over here to the question mark because there are 4 hearts all together. All right, my friends, I want you guys to have fun looking at these equations and figuring out how many are all together. Bye, my friends.